Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to paint your garage floor using an epoxy seal. There's a whole assortment of brands you can use, from Behr to Seal Crete to Drylock and even Rust-Oleum. To be honest, it doesn't really matter which brand you use, as there will be a lot of foot traffic in the garage itself. As you guys can see, I already started off with a tencel with the number 8 shaped as a snake, honoring my favorite basketball player of all time, Kobe Bean Bryant. It's totally up to you if you want to do a tencel or not. What I did was I drew out the 8 in the shape of a snake. Then I painted it with the color purple. Once that dried up, I used masking tape to cover the 8. And then I just carved it out using a box cutter. Again, it's totally up to you guys if you guys want to go about with doing a tencel or not. I chose to do so for my own garage. Once your tencel is actually carved out with the box cutter, grab your epoxy paint, a paint roller, and the epoxy paint itself. You can pour into a paint holder, which you can find at your local Home Depot or even local Dollar Tree. Once I have all my materials in place, what I did was I simply poured the paint right onto the floor and started rolling. I didn't bother using the paint holder because it's so much easier just pouring and rolling. My garage itself isn't too big, so about half a gallon was more than enough. I rolled the paint roller around my tencel so I can simply pull the tape off as I'm painting. Therefore, I won't have to go through that struggle of pulling it off once the paint on the floor dries, because it's so much more difficult taking the masking tape off then. So as I was painting, I simply just pulled the masking tape off. Made things look so much cleaner that way. Once it's done, you simply let it dry for about 24 hours or overnight, and you're good to go.